Professor Venkatarama B.R., Assistant Professor of English, Department of Collegiate and Technical Education, Government of Karnataka. I am presently working at Government Student College, Kudivandi. Friends, I welcome you all to this LMS Karnataka Educational Initiative at the Department of Collegiate and Technical Education, Government of Karnataka. And this is the English class by the students of BCom 4th semester of Bengaluru North University and also Provide. Friends, this session is going to be 51st session. In this session, we are going to mainly focus on examination. Friends, let's come to the contents of this video lesson. In this session, we are going to discuss three important things. The first and foremost thing is that it is a question paper pattern. We have the model question paper. At the end, we have the scheme of evaluation. These are the important. Now let's come to the first and foremost thing of this video lesson, that is called question paper pattern. This is to help you to give an outline about the questions that will be asked in the question paper. Where this English paper, this is for 100 marks. Out of this 100 marks, 30 marks will be tested at college level. Now, the remaining 70 marks out of 100 is being tested at university level examinations. This 70 marks is going to be allotted for various chapters in the syllabus. Well, this question paper has mainly two sections, section A, section B. What does section A consist of? Section A is purely on course book that you have studied. It will be allocated 40 marks, where you will find questions set on the novella, prose, short story, poetry. Let us see how this is allocated. This part, section A, has objective type questions, short note questions, essay type questions. Three types of main questions will be there. Roman letter 1, that consists of objective questions, wherein you will be given a question as main answer in 2 or 3 sentences each. Then you will find 7 questions. You are required to answer only 5. Each question carries 2 marks. In total, you will have 10 marks from this section. Followed by this, you have second main question, wherein you will have 7 questions. You are required to answer only 4. Each question carries 5 marks. You are required to answer for these questions around 80 to 100 words, or to the extent of a page. You know that there are 7 chapters in the textbook. All the 7 chapters will have the questions for this kind of short note question. Each and every chapter will have at least 1 question. Likewise, from every chapter, questions are chosen. The third main question is very important question, where you will have only 1 question. You will have 3 questions, but you are required to answer only 1. This question is for 10 marks. Question. You are required to answer in about 200 to 250 words, or to the extent of 2 pages. Will be about. Now let's come to the section B. Section B is mainly about grammar and composition. For this section, for 30 marks has been allocated. This 30 marks has again been allocated for 3 questions. Only 3 questions will be there, each question carrying 10 marks. The fourth main question is about your presentation skills, wherein you are required to prepare a PPT presentation on a given topic or an issue. They will give you some hints. Using those hints, you have to prepare a PPT presentation. This is for 10 marks. Followed by this, Roman letter 5 is to test your knowledge about the report writing. They may ask you to write a status report, survey report, or event completion report, any kind of one report they may ask you. Based on that context, based on the contents, based on the hints given, you have to prepare a report. That will be there for 10 marks. Followed by this, the most important thing and the last question of the question paper is about interview skills. For this question, there is an internal choice. The choice will be given either to write theoretical question or a practical question. The theoretical question may be about writing on the interview skills. They may ask you something related to the mode of interview, types of interview, what are the things that you have studied. Any one item they will take up and they will ask you to write for about 10 marks. Okay, that is theoretical part. And second part is that give the biodata of they will give the biodata of imaginary person. Based on that, you have to consider yourself a candidate and interview the person. 5 questions you have to prepare, and also the 5 answers you have to prepare. This imaginary interview is also important. These are things about the question paper pattern. Let's move on to the model question paper. Friends, as there's a new syllabus, the university did not conduct examination in this paper as of. As a result, we don't have any old question papers. So, a model question paper is prepared for you people. Please look at this model question paper. You'll get some idea about how the question paper will be.